Welcome back to my channel. My name is Will, and this is an episode of the Best Humans of New York, Best Drivers Edition. New York is full of great drivers. It was a normal day driving my passenger to Williamsburg, probably so she can get her $15 avocado toast before her SoulCycle class. We took the Williamsburg Bridge, which is the most dangerous bridge in the entire city, probably the country, maybe the world, I don't know. The roads narrow so much, you can reach out and touch the other cars as you pass them. And if someone speeds past you, there's a higher chance of a crash, which is what I just saw happen to the truck behind me. An idiot driver tried to speed past the truck and instead sideswiped it and then spun around and got smashed by the truck, blocking both lanes. Just a heads up, it's difficult to see through the rear window, so I changed the color tone to negative so you can make out what's happening better.
Holy shit! Look back. Turn around.
Oh no.
Holy shit.
How did that happen?
I have no idea. These roads are so bad.
Let's get off this bridge.
That's why sometimes a lot of drivers you see ahead,
Yeah.
they take 2 lanes.
Oh wow. Okay.
This accident freaked me out, so after I dropped her off, I parked somewhere and took a long break so I can cool off. This is a pretty dangerous job, and I'm on the road for over 100 miles a day when I work. That's why I drive carefully and don't take people's crap. If someone is ruining my focus or pushing me to break the law, I kick them out. I'm not going to become a statistic. I have one job, and it's to drive responsibly. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed my content, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also like my video, it all helps me a lot. I'm also going to live stream tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Time on Twitch playing Call of Duty. So if you enjoy that kind of content, come join me. It's going to be fun. And also join my Discord. Links are both in the description below. Also, as I was recording, I hurt myself pretty bad. So here's a blooper for you. Oh, fuck. Ow. God fucking damn it. I'll tell you in a second. Oh, God. Is there a funny bone in the knee? Oh, that's not fun. Oh, no. I'm okay. It's getting better.
Just making space for you to sit down.
Oh, God, no. I can't move my knee. I'm going to edit like this for a minute.